All right. What are we doing now?
Okay.
2 hours later.
5 hours later. 10 hours later. I have an idea.
What was your idea?
You know what? I don't have one anymore.
Da-da-da-da-da! Let's go!
Okay.
All right. Now on repeating the same word over and over again. Bowl, 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 bowl. Yeah, you're weird. All right, we're just vloggers. Let's go.
Okay.
And plus, at the end of the day, we're all vloggers.
Yeah.
Um.
And if you want, this is our first vlog, so you can start one anytime. All you gotta do is just get an app, just get an app, to edit it. I'm not sure what it's called. Do you know what it's called?
iMovie. Yeah.
iMovie.
All right, iMovie. Yeah. Plus, it's free, so you don't have to pay any of your money.